Hi everybody, it's Miss Jackie. Can you guess what color I'm talking about today? What color is Miss Jackie wearing? Blue. I have a blue hat, a blue shirt, a blue sweater, blue jeans, and blue sneakers. If you have Miss Jackie as a teacher, you know that I have a rainbow of sneakers. So today is blue, and I hope that you like my story today. Today's story is Little Blue Truck, and the author is Alice Schertle, and the illustrations and the drawings are by Jill Mickel-Murray. And I know that they're starting to come out with different versions. So if you really like this one, I think I've seen Little Blue Truck in New Jersey. Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. It's starting to become a little bit of a series. Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said beep. Baa, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand and a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, ah. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't that great? I love that Blue story. Just want to show you a couple of blue things before we go. In the house I found, this is my son Bryce's blue bat. And look, Bryce wraps all this blue tape around and makes all of these bats. I also found a blue ball. Well, it's red, white, and blue. See the blue letters? Blue and red and white ball. I found a blue bunny. Hop, 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 hop. See, that bunny has a blue outfit on with a little purple. And I found a blue bear. And it's a Spider-Man bear. I know some of my friends like Spider-Man. So this was at Build-A-Bear, and we made a Spider-Man with red and blue. I have one more blue thing to show you today. It's a blue bell. Miss Jackie rings this at her son's football games. Yay! Blue Day! And that was just Miss Jackie's doorbell. Let me go see who's at the door. Did you hear it? It sings happy birthday. Have a great day. I might pop on later with a blue surprise. Bye, everybody. Mwah!